My life on campus has become one of the most important chapters of my journey. When I first entered university, I knew things would change, but I never imagined how much I will grow, especially after dissing to life in a boarding house or one or what we call a course. Living away from my family has taught my many things: independence, responsibility, time management, and the value of taking care of myself, physically and mentally. Every morning, I wake up in my small room. It's not big, but it's place full of memories and lessons. My room is where I study, sleep, rest, and sometimes travel. It is the space where I learn to make decisions myself and handle the challenge the- that come with being alone. Living in a course has made me realize independence is not only about freedom, it, it is about discipline. After wake up, one of the first things I do is prepare my own breakfast. Cooking for myself was not something I was used to before I came to campus. At home, my mother of or other family member usually prepared the meals, but now I'm the chef of my daily life. Sometimes I make something simple like fried rice or noodles. On other days, I try to cook healthier meals even if they don't always taste perfect. But the process of cooking is meaningful. It teaches me partners, creativity, and care for myself. Cooking also helps me save money, which is very important when you are a student living far from home. After breakfast, usually prepare for class. The campus atmosphere is always interesting. Sometimes biased, sometimes slam, but always full of energy. I meet I meet different kind of people every single day. I meet different kinds of people every single day. Classmates, seniors, lecturers, and new friends. Edge of time brings new senior, new perspective, and new lesson into my life. Life on campus is not always easy. There are engagement, deadlines, group projects, presentation, and action. Some days feel very long, stressful. There are moments when I feel tired of overwhelmed, but there are also good days when everything feels exciting and enjoyable. I like learning new things, gaining knowledge, and improving myself, my skill. Being in university makes me dream bigger and prepares me for the future I want to build. Some days after class, I beg to my cause. This is usually when I continue working on assessment or preparing for the next day. Living alone means I have to plan everything: my meals, my laundry, my study time, my rest, and even finance. It is a constant learning process, but I feel proud every time manage my day. I realize the being's independence is not something that happens instantly. It grows slowly through daily habits and decision. Of course, of course, living a cause also meaning expressing loneliness. Some days there are days when I miss my family, my home, and come from of being surrounded by people I know well. But learning that feeling lonely is part of grow up. It teaches me to understand myself better, to be stronger and a person the people I love even more. Throughout my life on campus and in my course, I learning many things: how to take care of myself, how to manage money, how to balance study and personal time, how to stay disciplined even with supervision, and how to keep going even when things get difficult. Life as a student is not only about studying, it is also about differing who we are. Everything challenge we face, whether it took assessment, a stressful week, or feeling of being alone. Some days we might feel tired of the crowd, but it's important to remember that success does not come instant. Success is but the balance, discipline, and consistency. Every assessment we finish, every skill we learn, and every obstacle we overcome bring us close to our goals. And even on the day when we feel weak, we must remember on simple things. We are still moving forward. Growth is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet and slow. But as long as we keep going, we are improving. Keep believe in yourself, keep working, keep growing, keep journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come.
My day usually begins in my small room. The first thing I see when I wake up is the sunlight coming through the window. My room is simple, just a bed, a desk, some shelves, and my personal things. But even though it's small, it feels like my own world, a place where I am learning to build my life day by day. I often think about how different it is from home, where everything was taken care of. Here, if I don't clean, it will stay messy. If I don't cook, I won't have anything to eat. If I don't plan, everything will fall apart. One of the biggest change in my life is cooking for myself. At first was difficult. I don't really know how to prepare food properly. Sometimes the rice was too hard, sometimes too soft, sometimes the seasoning was too much or too little. But little by little I learned it now. Making my own breakfast has become part of my routine. It might be something simple like eggs, noodles, or fried ice, but it gives me sense of responsibility. Cooking teach me more than just making food. It teaches patience, creativity, and how important it is to take care of my body so I can stay healthy and productive. After breakfast, I get ready for class. Walking through the campus always give me a special feeling. The buildings, the student rushing to their lecture, the laughter from groups of friends sitting under the stress, it all creates an atmosphere full of energy. Campus life is full of challenge, but also full of opportunities. In class, I met different kinds of people. Some are very focused, some are funny, some are cute, and some are always ready to help. My lecturer also play a big role in shaping my learning experience. They push me think critical, to question things, and to try harder. Sometimes the lessons are easy understand and and sometimes they make my head hard, but that's part of the process education. And it's not super to be comfortable all the time. It's super help us grow. After the class, I often return my calls to continue working on a segment. Living alone means I need to know how to manage my team. Sometimes I cook lunch or dinner before studying. Sometimes I take a short rest and then continue working. There are days when everything feels smooth and organized, but there are also days when stress builds up, especially when deadlines are coming. But facing a testing on my own makes me stronger. In the evening, my course become quiet. This is usually when I reflect on my day. I think about what I did well and what I could improve. Living alone gives me a lot of time to think about myself. It teaches me how to be honest with my feelings and how to deal with without running away. Of course, there are moments when I miss home. I miss my family, my mother's cooking, the feeling of being surrounded by people I know. Sometimes loneliness hits unexpectedly, especially after a tiring day. But I've learned this normal. Growing up meant accepting that not every day will be perfect. Some days are challenge and some days are peaceful. What matter is how I keep going. Sometimes being a student feels like going a long journey with no map. We don't always know what will happen tomorrow, next month, or next year, but every step we take teach us something valuable. Living in a cost, cooking by yourself, managing your finance, handling achievements and style, trying to take care of our mental and physical health. It's not easy, but but it's something we should be proud of. We are learning to stand on our own feet. When life gets tough, it's important to remember that challenges don't exist to stop us. They exist to strengthen us every time we push through a difficult moment. Even something simple like waking up early or finishing a task we don't like, we become a better version of ourselves. Success is not Success is not something we achieve overnight. It grows slowly through small habits and consistent effort. Every morning we wake up with determination. Every night we choose to keep going. And every day we try our best. This moment create our future. So if you try, remind yourself you are growing, you are improving, you are moving forward. These strangers today are shaping your stretch for tomorrow. Be patient with yourself. Believe in your journey. Trust that your hard work will lead you to something better. You may not see the result now, but one day you will look back and realize how far you've come. Keep learning, keep building your life, keep believing. Your story is still being written, and this chapter have not arrived yet. So yes, this is my what? This is my telling my life with in campus with my friend. I'm Syauki Arkan and my friend Fauzi Habibi. Fauzi Habibi in major programmer and I'm in major designer. We in campus Polytechnic IDN. So yes, this is my storytelling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is my short film. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Sorry for my mistake. See you in the next short movie again. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.